in the world today with Russia threatening Ukraine, China threatening Taiwan, and threat activity is so high that our industrial base is one of the targets. It's if you want to cause problems in the U.S., take out food getting to the shelves, take out power, take out oil and gas, and then you can do something. We've got to protect our critical infrastructure.
So Dynics has been in the industrial space since about '97. We built compute platforms for manufacturing in the OT space. So we have a number of different cybersecurity products, some hardware-based, some software-based. So we have a wide variety of products that are designed for the OT space.
They're helping to protect critical infrastructure, operational technology, industrial control systems, which is vital to the livelihood of this country.
I think our philosophy of not only monitoring but taking action worked well for us in the OT space, but a lot of incursions into an organization come also from the IT space or the ISP space. So I reached out to Centripetal and said, your philosophy and our philosophy are the same, and a lot of people don't share that philosophy, so what can we do together from a product perspective?
We're a partner with Dynics. They actually resell Centripetal and we resell Dynics because we've taken our IT security solution and their OT security solution and brought them together.
The ICS Defender is our content-aware firewall that actually understands industrial protocols.
What it does is really interesting. First, what it does is an inventory of all of the assets, all of the human-machine interfaces, all of the PLC and the logic controllers, and all the other devices that are on the OT networks. And then it allows the appropriate traffic for those devices and stops all the rest of the traffic.
Before Centripetal, we were relying on the ICS Defender as our sole point of ingress and egress protection, which is great because it protects you against any unknown traffic, but it doesn't have the level of insight into what's going on that we see with Centripetal. It's amazing being able to know not only what was blocked, but why was it blocked, being able to quickly see somebody put a BitTorrent client on their desktop computer, somebody's got a VPN on their phone, quickly identify little things that people probably shouldn't be doing, and knowing that you're going to get that same level of visibility if somebody does a major thing that they shouldn't be doing.
The folks we've worked at with Centripetal have been professional from day one. They're willing to answer the questions that you ask, and if you ask the same question 5 times, which I do on occasion, they don't get snarky as they get to question 5. They'll just answer it the right way.
The big thing for us is that I don't have to have a full-time security engineer on staff. I don't have to have a guy who knows all of the security vulnerabilities and CVEs that were discovered in the past 2 weeks and scour for where those could be applied. Anytime something out of the ordinary happens, somebody from Centripetal will warn us about it. We'll have contact with the engineer who explains exactly what was seen, what their threat recommendation is, and typically we've gone with the recommendations every time and it's worked out well.
What excites me about clean internet is the amount of time it frees me up. I don't have to spend a lot of time worrying about what's getting into Dynics from the outside. We sit down and talk 30 minutes every 2 weeks, and that's the extent of the effort I have to put into it.
It's very critical that we have somebody protecting the OT and ICS infrastructure, just like Centripetal is protecting the IT infrastructure.
Their technology is impressive. To put it to good use with our technology and solve customers' problems with it is really exciting, and it's something nobody else is doing.